In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Tether in Gate.io. So for those people who do not know Gate.io, Gate.io is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it is the one of the top, top 10 cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It's not the top, but it's like under the top 10 crypto exchange. All right. So let me show you guys how you guys can, buy Tether, which is also known as stablecoin or USDT in Gate.io. Now, why Tether is known as, stablecoin is because Tether's value is backed up by US dollar, which means when you're buying one Tether, you're basically buying one US dollar. All right. So basically, since one US dollar's value doesn't goes up and down, it's still going to remain $1 even after 2 or 3 days or after like 1 year. That's basically what Tether is. Tether's value is going to remain the same. So for the value of one Tether, it's going to be $1 for like eternity. All right. So that's basically what the meaning of Tether is and why it is called stable. Now how you guys can purchase that in Gate.io is, before moving forward, it's me Richie Kevin and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can ask us in the comment, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And without any further ado, let's move on. First step is you want to go to Gate.io and log in into your account. After you do that, you want to click on buy crypto. Then there's 3 ways to buy Tether on like Gate.io. The first way is through credit card by linking your credit card. The second is by bank transfer by linking your bank and transferring money from your bank. And the third is by P2P, which means you need to send money to a person, and once that person receives the money, it's going to receive Tether, and the Tether is going to be transferred to your Gate.io account. That's what P2P means. And basically I like to go with credit card, so I'm going to click on credit card. Once you click on credit card, on the currency purchase over here, it's going to be Bitcoin. You want to change it to USDT. Tether is also known as USDT. And over here, you want to enter the amount of Tether you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy around $200 worth of Tether. So I'm going to enter 200 USDT, which means I'm going to use $200 to buy Tether. And over here, I can choose like which payment method I want to use. I need to, tick mark this I agree to terms and service, and, choose a provider over here, which means like which payment method I want to use. After that, you just want to scroll a bit down and click on purchase. After you click on purchase, basically it's going to take you to that website, and it's going to ask you for entering your payment detail. After entering your payment detail, your USDT will be purchased. So that's basically how you guys can buy USDT in Gate.io. So I'm not going to show you that process because I have not yet linked my payment details over here on Gate.io, but you guys can do that. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And remember, you're not going to get 200 Tether because like 3.91 USDT is going to be taken as fee. So on total, you're going to get 188.59 USDT. All right. So just keep that in mind. Hope you guys were able to understand. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching the video until the end, and stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future video. Do like and subscribe, everybody.